let me and Ayaan have a race. Who's listening to me? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ayaan and Zidan.
Welcome to another video. I'm Ayaan.
I'm Zidan.
Today we're going horse riding.
We are so excited for horse riding.
Yep.
Even me.
But first, we're gonna go get some food for the horse.
First, we're gonna go
Let's go
get
give it Nando's.
Let's get it Nando's.
Yeah. Let's go
Fruit.
Fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, good morning, the fruity. Look at your seat.
Good morning, the fruity.
We're gonna use our high views today
Why?
because
Building.
it's good for safety. We need to buy carrots and apples. Oh, a fruit.
So we get red or green?
Red cotton.
Go on then.
I'll go get a paper for
We
it.
get a big juicy one.
Yeah, come on, get a big fat one. There's one there.
Go on, get some more apples then.
Let's get some more apples, I think, for me.
Get the big fat juicy one.
Three apples. Yeah, 3 apples enough. There's the carrots.
Just 3, yeah?
Actually,
Let's get 2 more.
There's 4. There's 4.
We need 4 apples. Where's the carrots?
Keep going. Not pull.
We need 4 carrots. This is really.
Okay, forget more. They like carrots.
Ooh. Thank you. We got the carrots.
We got apples. Come on then, let's go
Why
play.
not with carrots? So heavy.
Go on.
1, 2, 3. Let me do some exercise. 1, 2, 3. I saw horses right now.
We?
Oh, so we went past it. When we was coming here, I saw some horses, little ones and big ones.
Did you see any horses?
Nope. We're here. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, look at Mohzan.
We're in the field with the horses.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which horse do you like the most?
Yeah. The old one.
Which one do you like?
The old one.
Which
I
one's the
like
old
the old one. Rocky is right. The old one's Rocky. I like Rocky's.
No, I don't want it.
That's Mohzan and Huzaifa, our cousins. He has a TikTok page.
So we'll put his TikTok page on the YouTube. And this is Zafa. Zafa, you know, we met him in
Pakistan.
what shop?
Hassan Habib's.
Hassan Habib.
They sadly got this horse.
He's going to teach everyone how to ride a horse.
You're hugging the horse. Who's gonna sit on the horse first? Who's first? Come on, jump on. You go first. Is it looking good, yeah? You're looking good for the horse now.
Here you go.
Say thank you.
Something, yeah. Recite. That means recite. Alhamdulillah, shukr, alhamdulillah, shukr, bismillah. Cuddling, like, you know, you gotta be nice, yeah? So he knows, yeah, you're gonna be sitting.
Do this.
Okay?
Let him sniff you.
Look, he's gonna smell you like that. Yeah, he's not gonna do nothing. Look, this is really, mashallah. Mashallah, he's really calm. Okay? So you do that. Yeah? Hand right here and do shape. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin. Wala ali Muhammadin. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahim.
Chalo, Ayaan, are you ready?
Pull up.
John, you ready?
Ayaan, are you scared? Good boy.
Okay. Pull up now. Okay. Pull up now.
You scared, Ayaan? Huh? Are you gonna go on the horse next? Ask him if he's scared. Ask him if he's scared.
Boys! Mohzan! 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 Let me and you have a race. Three, two, one, go, go, go.
This is not my side. She's gonna go in the horse now.
Come on. Are you ready, Myesha? Myesha. Myesha. Sorry. I was calling you Myesha then. Come on, Myesha then. You want to go next?
Zidan, come here. Come here. Come.
That is purple. Make sure.
Imaani's turn.
And then Zach.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have to wear a helmet.
Eighty.
Oh no. Was that good? Did you enjoy it?
I just
Ready?
see ya.
So now you're getting used to it.
Go slow.
When you come back.
You're gonna do nails. How about you when you come back? When you come back, you're gonna do nails.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, but the helmet kept falling.
There you go. Did you enjoy yourself now?
Yeah.
Me?
Come on, Zidan, it's your turn.
Sweetheart.
Are you happy? You ready?
Nope.
No.
I
You're
need
not
to do
ready.
exercises.
Go on then, do your stretches.
I can't.
Come on.
Ready?
This is for.
Ow! That's it.
This is for horses.
You bleeding?
Do you look ready now?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go.
I'm gonna get
You can get on, come on. You have to get up like Superman.
I'm not.
Can you fly?
I can't jump.
Come on. We'll help you.
Don't go too fast, Daddy.
I know.
Take this slow.
Okay, you got the ball. Don't sit here. Don't sit here.
Is it good, Zidan?
It's dancing.
It's making you dance.
Yeah, just look at it. Just look at it.
Fix his hair.
Come on then, go.
And Ayaan, you look at it.
Go closer. Yeah.
Come on. Make him look. What's his name? Badshah.
What does Badshah mean?
What does that mean? King.
If you like Chris's videos and really love them, Mohzan is the one you should watch. Follow him, like every video.
ਬਲੱਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਲੇਰੀ ਖਾਨਦਾਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਏ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਫੋਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਕਰੇ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ
Oh, he's going fast.
I think I had too much laps for it.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
You want to go again?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
I'm gonna go to the car. This is boring. I think Ayaan didn't go fast now. Very fast.
You want to go on there again?
Yeah, I don't want to go fast. Ayaan, you kind of. Ayaan, I went too fast, so you go too fast.
You ready to go fast now?
I'm ready to go.
This is like that ride in Disneyland.
Down. Run! 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 Stop! 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 Run! Run! Fast!
Was that fast?
Run like fast again! No, no, me! Are you gonna be a single boy again on a field trip? It's too hot, man. We're at the park. Can you spin me? Cold. Ah! What's this tasty? Look, this is a game. So you have to put 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4. Oh, this is a good game. Slide like Ronaldo. Shoot. Before anything else, before the end of the video, we have to do this. Come here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the video. Thumbs up. Bye. Ayaan and Zidan. Please subscribe.